with Sarah, and we're in my office actually because we have a lot of boxes to open. We have been doing a lot of social media while the museum has been closed. You might have noticed that. And then we asked our bosses very nicely if we could please order fancy things, and they said yes. And so here we are to open the fancy things. I guess we just want to take a box and then we'll go for it.
Yeah, what's a good box?
Well, I have to cut this thing open. So I guess you can start with another box.
Start with another box.
I don't remember what this is. Why can they wrap things in bubble wrap?
Aw, that's so thoughtful.
I know.
Yeah, good stuff.
I can't get it open.
Ooh.
What do you get? Oh, it's the mic.
Ooh.
So now we'll actually have audio.
Yay!
And
Quality
you can
audio.
hear what we say.
Yay! I don't know if you guys know this, but Dallas Heritage Village is very close to I-30, so any exterior shots that we do sound a lot like this. So we're excited to not have that.
I am still unwrapping bubble wrap.
That is so funny. All right, let's see what's next.
Oh, finally. Oh, it's the gyro head so that we can actually like have our stuff be steady.
Yay!
Let's set this carefully down here.
Yeah, don't break the thing.
I don't want to break the things.
I got like a nice little box here.
You got the nice box.
Ooh, this is lots of things.
Oh, it's the lots of things. What is that?
Oh,
Is this
we
the
got
camera?
We got the nice bag. All you see is bag on top
Yeah.
of
I
it.
think this is the camera.
Oh, get it.
This is exciting. So some of these things were pre-cut open just a little bit because Amazon decided to send things in weird order. So we had to double check and make sure they were all here. This is it.
Ooh, look, I'm so excited. Starter kits.
Nice.
That's exciting. It's
How
full
much
of
stuff did they give us?
lots of goodies. I'm pretty excited actually.
That's exciting. Here's the single camera battery. I think the rest of the camera's in here. Oh yes, this is the body. Very awesome.
Look at this. Make sure our screens are clean.
Let's just make sure they're all here.
I know you have to make sure all the lenses are there.
Okay, here it is. This is the camera. Here's the camera.
Yay!
Package. Now we're gonna have great stuff. This is exciting.
And we have like kind of a long what's going on here.
Look at this gorgeous thing. Here we go. It's an icon.
Look how pretty it
It's
is.
a great camera. We have a camera.
We have a nice camera
This is
now.
a nice camera. I'm very excited.
No more iPhone pictures. Well, probably.
Well, probably. 'Cause
Sorry, guys.
Alright, we got, what is this?
Ooh.
55 millimeter lens. And what's the other one? 2 lenses.
Nice.
I think this is like the,
Yeah.
I think I know what this is. I don't know what this is.
For the bees.
This is the, yes, this is for the bees. It's the 300 millimeter lens. This is our bee lens.
Yay.
And then more camera, more camera. Love it.
Okay, guys. Pretty stoked about this. Look, can't see. That's right. We need an awesome tripod for y'all so we can make sure that we're getting steady quality video.
We love that.
Emphasis on quality and steady.
Here's another box. I think I actually know what this smells. See if I remember. Well, here's a bag.
Ooh, a bag.
And here's more things. And here's more things. How many boxes are in this box?
We knew we'd unbox it.
Oh, it's the
Yes,
ring
ring
light.
light.
Beauty lights.
And the stand.
Beauty lights so that we can all look gorgeous.
Yay.
I guess the rest of this part is like, oh, and here's instructions. Those are nice.
Those are helpful.
We're going to
Keep those. Yeah.
Yes. We love instructions,
Yeah.
so we know what we're doing.
We know what we're doing, folks.
We are professionals.
Clearly, look at all the stands we have now.
Yeah, now that's what, 2 stands?
I
love
think-
it.
I think even the camera bag had like a little.
Oh, like a tiny tripod.
Yeah, like a tiny tripod. Yeah.
Nice. That's 3 whole tripods.
We have a giant box.
So we also have a big box. I think this one has the most amount of stuff.
Oh! I'm pretty excited about
A box inside a box.
Oh, yeah!
GoPro. I think this is the GoPro because this is all of the GoPro materials.
Yes.
Can I get to the box? It is the GoPro.
I'm so excited.
I'm gonna put this on a donkey. I am so excited.
Yes, we're gonna totally have like donkey cam. That would be amazing.
We'll see who cooperates the most.
That's true. Good point. Might just be Nib.
Yeah.
Might be one.
Comment down below if you think we should put it on one of the young boys and just see what the hell happens.
I know, right?
It'll be donkey chaos.
We also got this pretty cool light box, so hopefully we can definitely utilize it for like stuff from our gift shop, things like that.
I mean, this is literally
Very
everything.
cool.
Here's the selfie stick. Here's the tripod. SD cards, because Lord knows I take way too many pictures. Card readers. Oh my god, this is everything. This is fantastic. I love goodies. Ooh.
Again, mics, so you can hear us. I'm so excited about this.
That'll be really exciting.
Yay!
Let's see. Oh, more microphones. These are for our dream of a podcast. Let's see if I can get these things open.
Okay, I'll let you open that one. I'll keep this one.
Let's see. I'm gonna have to
Safety first.
Safety first, guys. Don't take knives towards your stomach or scissors that are sharp. I literally can't. There we go.
It's okay. It's extra super tape.
Nope, still can't get it.
No.
Take two. On
It's
the
fine.
two.
We're gonna edit this, so it'll be fine.
Or we'll just leave it in there and be like, yes, we're gorgeous. Thank you. Okay. Ah!
I got it.
Instruction manual. We're gonna keep that. Ew! Look at this.
Ooh, she looks
This
gorgeous.
is so fancy.
Wow.
So fancy. So in the future,
So these are the
hopefully-
toner mics. So
hopefully soonish, we will have a podcast because that seems like the type of thing that we would end up doing.
yeah,
Yeah. So two of these.
you guys love hearing us talk, right?
Everyone loves to hear us talk.
Is this the last one?
We are on our last box, and this is another tripod.
Another tripod. You know what? We always need more.
I think this is
tripods.
the iPhone tripod because
That's pretty exciting.
we need more of those.
That's a thing.
Oops.
That's fine. Doesn't matter.
That's important.
It just holds the phone, so
It's not like it's
fine.
important or anything.
Yeah. iPhone stand? No. We don't need this.
If I can get it out of the bag, that'll be exciting.
Yes.
Last tripod, and we're very excited so that we can start using all of this stuff to make great content and really show you guys all the stuff we've been working on because we've been working on a lot of things.
Yes.
Hopefully starting some new video series, getting our YouTube more functional. So you
Please,
should definitely follow us on YouTube. We also want to do more Instagram content, so also follow us on Instagram. Links will be in the description below, above, whatever platform you're on. I think, is there anything else that we need to add to this?
If you guys have any great ideas or you have any questions you'd love to ask us, we'd be happy to do some amazing posts.
Yeah,
Just let us know. Comment above, below, somewhere.
whatever platform you're on. All right, thank you guys.
Thanks, guys.